Hello, this is the little regression analysis on studying the relationship between student scores and study hours per day. The first line code is the importation of the linear library, and followed by the importation of the data, and to check the characteristics of the data and check the shape of the data. How many rows do you have? We have 25 row and 2 column and this description. We give us the count, the mean, the standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and the percentile. This is the scatter plot to check the trend and the relationship between the two variables, which is scores, student scores, and hour. After that one, we check the correlation, and we can see that the color of the correlation, you can see from the bar here, color bar, that the correlation is very high with the dark color, which is like 0.98, 0.97 plus. After that one, we did some features selection. So far, we only have two column. The data were divided into y and x. I mean, the y is our dependent variable, while the x is the independent. After that one, we split the data into training sets and test sets. We split the data into training set and test set. After the data have been split into training and test set fits a linear regression model, and we predict it for the training data. After that one, we check for the fitted line, which is the line we check for the fitted line to see the relationship between uh, the observed and the fitted line, and we can see the line is linear. It's linear as expected. And we check for the mean square error. We check how accuracy our model is. You can see that the root mean square error is 4.6744. That means we have a very good model. After that one, a data point was selected outside our data. We predicted for students that read 9 hours and quarter in a day, and our prediction gave us 93. That means the student that read for more than an hour is might get a very high score of 93. And thank you for listening, and you can comment.